Alright, today I'm gonna show you how you can connect the PandoraBiz Flower Smart Spy CC camera with your phone app, so you can monitor from any part of the world. Well, it's very easy to set up. You just need to make sure that your phone is connected with the Wi-Fi first. Since my phone is already connected with the PandoraBiz router, which is the Wi-Fi router here connected, so that has to be done first, and then you need to click on the app. The app is V380 Pro, and then you just open that app, and after fully loading of the app, you click on continue to app. Ignore all the other things, don't click on anything else. And then what you do is next is you need to add the device, the flower device here, with the app. So let it load first. So it might depend on your internet Wi-Fi connection also. Why it is getting slow is because of the Wi-Fi connection. Now what you do is click on device connected to Wi-Fi and click on AP hotspot connection, and then you make sure that you choose the Wi-Fi. So this is the Wi-Fi we have chose already connected with the phone, so you just click on that and confirm that, and after this you will be connected with the AP. This is the sound you will hear. And after the device is connected to the Wi-Fi, this is the option you will see, living room. Click on finish. Now you just need to click on here. Wi-Fi connected. That's the sound you'll hear after the connection of the device with the Wi-Fi. And then you have to set a password. Username is admin. You can set up any password, so I have already in my mind, so I'm gonna put that. So password is set. You need this password when you are deleting the camera from your app, and when you are giving access to somebody else, you need that password. So make sure that you remember all the password. That's it. Now it will is connected here. Now you will see now I can disconnect the router and turn on my app. I can do that too. Let me close this once. I'm gonna open the app again. The data needs to be, so now I can simply go there directly. There you go. So my phone is not connected with Wi-Fi. Is my data, I'm using data, but my this camera is connected with the Wi-Fi here. It's already connected. That's how you can do it. You can hear the voice clicking here. You can speak through this. Hello, hello, hello. These are the things. Okay, I can move the camera here and there. It's dark here right now inside, that's why it's doing like this. So this is the speaker. You can talk through this. You can talk through this speaker, as you can hear the voice. And if you click on replay, there you will see the option to see the footage. To see the footage, you have to click on micro SD card and click the date, whichever you want. If you want to go back, you can click on go back. But since the memory card is not inserted right now here, so you won't be able to see the footage from the past, because you need a camera I mean the you need a memory card. The memory card has to be inserted in the device camera, and once you will see select the video, you can click on the download button option and you can download in your phone as well the past footage. That's how you can do. I've just made this in shortcut, okay, so in that you guys can understand. And I have to do some setting here a little bit. That is, I have to make sure that the camera is keep on ready recorded continuously. So once you click on record setting, you have to click on continuous recording. All needs to be turned into blue, and the video quality you can control SD quality. So you have to click. Right now no micro SD card is inserted, that's why it's showing like this. But if you have inserted, the option will be continuous recording, everything you can do it. So it all needs to be blue. And then you have to set up the device time. So you do need device time is important. You need to set up a device time as Bhutan time zone. So Bhutan time zone is GMT plus 6 darker. Okay, just plus 6 darker, and it's the same time like Bhutan time. Select that, go back, and then again you have to do one final setting. That is, you have to set up an alarm. Alarm setting has to be done. Click on alarm, and then you have to turn on the alarm. Why it is important? Because if when someone comes in front of the camera, it will be making sure that the camera is alert and captures everything. So you have to turn on the alarm sound, but by default the alarm sound is uh, really tricky one. This is the area you can cover. Alarm period all day. My sound. So that's the alarm sound. So what you do is you can simply turn off the alarm, because it's really irritating, because time and again whenever someone comes, this is how the sound comes. So you just simply turn off the sound. You just turn off the sound, that will be fine. And then your phone is still connected with the Wi-Fi. Now use the housekeeper. If you go to housekeeper, it will show you the screenshot of motion detected. This is the screenshot of the person. When there is a motion detection, then you can see the screenshot. You can download it there by clicking on download option. See, it will be saved here. So that's how you can do it. So this is how the fully way to connect your CC camera with the app and control from any part of the world. This is the same steps which is used for other CC camera also, which we are selling. But this this CC camera is PandoraBiz CC camera. So if you need assistance, please contact 1732-9316 or message us. Thank you so much.